My name is Leah Lawrence. I joined PW Trenchless in January of 2024, I like most about the company in my previous experience with the company and my current experience thus far is I like the family vibe that I feel around, and I enjoy how everybody helps out each other. And my position within the company is traffic control, and a lot of the crew members will help me move the cones. They'll put my taper back in place if the machines move around, and I just appreciate how everyone is here to help each other, and it doesn't seem to be too much of a hierarchy system. There's no pressure, but you can learn, you can pick up a tool, and it's not so limited. As in my previous workplace, it was just a flagging company, which has more strict rules in place. You're not allowed to pick up a broom or a shovel, for example, but at PW I see that it's encouraged, which makes me happier, because then it fills my day with more tasks and more responsibility, which I'm happy to explore. And now that I work for an actual construction company and a contractor, I'm happy to learn more about this type of technology that is in the industry and is less invasive on the environment, and overall just seems to be quite an interesting experience, and part of our world that's growing and evolving. And we need to replace pipes. There's billions of dollars, they said, of pipes in the Lower Mainland that need upgrading or replaced, and it's I think a really cool thing to be a part of. So right before PW, I was working at a traffic control company doing flagging and lane tech.